Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn about Oxford Discover English Grade 4. Okay, now open your notebooks. Okay, now open your notebooks and the topic is forces of nature. First of all, we have to learn about what are forces of nature. Things that are not controlled by human, that are not meant to control by human and that are not under control of human. ऐसी कुदरत की चीज़ें जो इंसान के कंट्रोल में नहीं हैं, जो इंसान के इख्तियार में नहीं हैं, उसको कहते हैं forces of nature. There are four major kinds of forces of nature: earthquake, blizzard, hurricane and tornado. Moving toward the second force of nature, that is hurricane. Hurricane क्या होता है? Basically violent storm, ऐसा तबाहकुन तूफान. It occurs over warm ocean water. ठीक है, over warm ocean water and 500 किलोमीटर width इसकी होती है. ठीक है, hurricane winds can form 100 to 250 किलोमीटर per hour. 100 to 250 किलोमीटर per hour इसकी winds होती हैं. When a large hurricane reaches the land, it destroys buildings. हरिकेन स्ट्रॉन्ग जो कि वायलेंट स्टॉर्म है, तो इसकी वजह से बिल्डिंग्स डिस्ट्रॉय होती हैं, ह्यूमंस का भी नुकसान होता है. एंड मूविंग टुवर्ड द थर्ड फोर्स ऑफ नेचर, दैट इज ब्लीजर्ड. ब्लीजर्ड मीन्स अ कोल्ड क्लाइमेट, अ स्नो, हैवी snowfall which make people impossible to go outside to their homes. It makes impossible to survive outside. It becomes very difficult for people to have food and to have medications, to go outside of their homes. During blizzard, skin of humans can freeze. It can also cause death of if you are outside of your home. And then it breaks power lines. It makes impossible for drivers to drive during a heavy snowfall because it freezes the roof of cars, it freezes the mirrors of the cars, and it also freezes the roof of the houses and roads. Moving toward the third force of nature, that is blizzard, means cold climate, snowfall. It covers the roof of the homes and it covers the mirrors of the cars. It becomes very difficult for drivers to drive during a blizzard. It covers the roads with snow. It becomes very difficult for people to come outside of their homes, and it is almost impossible to go out for medication and for some food. It is very dangerous for people as it destroyed power lines. Moving toward the fourth force of nature, that is tornado. Tornado, it basically looks like a funnel. It has a strong spinning winds. It moves, twists and runs. It destroys everything in its path. Its speed is 400 km per hour and 75 meter wide. It forms a massive thunderstorm that destroys buildings, people, roads, and even everything in its way. Moving toward the topic forces of nature from page number 150. Let's start reading. Earth is a beautiful planet. Its oceans and lakes, blue skies, and rich lands give us what we need to live. However, nature also has a powerful side. It creates forces that can create harm to human life and property.